Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your payments with Stripe, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your payments with Stripe, begin by logging into your Stripe account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section on the left sidebar. Here, you will see a list of all your transactions. Locate the specific payment you want to verify. Click on the payment to open the detailed view. In this view, you'll find essential information such as the amount, currency, and payment status. Check the payment status indicated at the top of the transaction details. If the status shows succeeded, the payment was processed successfully. For additional verification, look at the Payment Method section. This area displays how the customer paid, providing further validation. You can also review the Disputes section if applicable. This section shows any chargebacks or issues related to the transaction. To ensure security, check the payment source by reviewing the card details or bank information. Next, consider exporting your payment data for record keeping. Use the export feature in the top right corner to download a CSV file. This file will include all relevant transaction details for your records. Once you've verified the payment, you can choose to issue refunds if necessary. Return to the payment details and click the refund button if needed. You can also write notes on transactions to keep track of any actions taken. Finally, ensure all payment confirmations reach your customers via email. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.